Let's go.
and led him into the land of Canaan. I gave him many descendants through his son Isaac.
I gave him many descendants.
Amnikeza
Something that he
inzalo
never saw
eningi.
with his visual eyes.
into angazange ayibone ngamehlo wakhe.
It was a promise. I'll make you
Bekuyithembiso.
great. I'll give you.
Uzokwenza mkhulu.
Bekungabonakali next. You understand now? But uthi umenze waba mkhulu, waba nama descendants through one man.
Ngendoda
So
eyodwa.
it means if you are satisfied with Isaac,
Kusho ukuthi mawunelisekile
you
ngo-Isaac
might not reach many descendants.
yenze ungafinyeleli enzalweni
And
eningi.
Isaac must be tested.
U-Isaac fanele ahlolwe.
Isaac must go on the altar.
Fanele ahambe i-altar
Isaac
ukuze-
must be sacrificed.
U-Isaac fanele
God
ehlatshwe.
testing your eyes, testing your heart,
Avivinye amehlo wakho
whether
nenhliziyo
you'll be
yakho.
able to see beyond.
Ukuthi uzokwazi wena ukubona ngale.
Here to test it.
Kwafanele amvivinye.
Thatha indodana yakho ezele yodwa. Ukhuphuka nayo ubona inhlatshela akasabona indodana. Beyond.
Ngale.
Beyond. Not visually seeing Isaac.
Ungaboni
Wena
ngamehlo.
bozothini esengumtholile umntwana. Ujabulile. Senginomntwana. Yo my Isaac. Kanti awukafiki. There's many descendants that cannot be seen by visual eyes.
Kusesenenzalo eningi engeke sibone ngamehlo wenyama.
There's something beyond that.
Kunaloko okungaphezulu
God is
kwalokho.
in the business of finishing what He has started.
uNkulunkulu usemsebenzini
God is in
wokuqeda
the business of
lokuqalile.
multiplying you
Usemsebenzini
beyond
wokuthi akuphindaphinde
what you
ngaphezulu-
see with your visual eyes.
phezulu kwaloko okubonayo ngamehlo wenyama.
I gave him many descendants
Uthi ngimnikeze inzalo
through
eningi
Isaac.
ngo-Isaac.
Ngoyi-one. Wena bozothini? Unginike one vele. uNkulunkulu unamanga. Uthe bazoba baningi. Uthe usongenza a father of nations. The father of nations
Baba wezizwe.
will be produced
Uzozalwa
by how you see God.
ngendlela wena umbona ngayo uNkulunkulu.
You can look at Isaac and see one,
Isaac, ubone
but behind
indlela.
one,
Kodwa ngaphezulu kwayo
there's
kuboyo-
many. Are you willing to be tested?
Ngabe uyavuma ukuthi uvivinywe na?
Are you willing to be tested?
Uyavuma ukuvivinywa na?
Are you willing for God to try your heart?
Uyavuma ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayizame inhliziyo yakho?
Through Isaac, I'll give you
Isaac.
many.
Ngizokunikeza
Wena ubona
abaningi.
Isaac ukuthi ufikile. Nakathi mhlabe yenza inhlatshelo uyasaba. Hey, wogcina. You might not reach many.
Yenze ungafinyeleli kwabaningi.
Uzosala nalo one. Oze with Hagar, not the perfect will.
Oze ngoHagayi hayi ngentando ephelelisiwe.
Uzosala no Ishmael instead of
Isaac.
Ishmael ubona ngamehlo so. But the promise Isaac,
Kodwa isithembiso
spiritual eyes,
Amehlo
spiritual
kamoya.
discernment.
Ukuzwelela kamoya.
This is what God promised
Yilo uNkulunkulu akuthembisile.
Isaac.
Isaka.
Ishmael can be seen with physical eyes.
Ishmael angabonakala ngamehlo
But to
enyama.
know Isaac,
Kodwa uzwazi
you
uIsaac
must be spiritual
fanele ube
to
ngokamoya.
discern who is Isaac.
Uzukwazi ukuzwelela ukuthi ungubani uIsaka.
Let's go. Abona zangathi oyi-one ozele yedwa zangathi ushubani uIshmael or Isaac. Wazile ukuthi lo ngithembise yena ulo. Lo awumbali. Let's go.
I gave him many descendants
Uh-huh.
through his son Isaac.
He promised ufile. Akasekho uAbraham. But what God promised,
Kodwa lo uNkulunkulu akuthembisile.
God will finish everything He starts.
uNkulunkulu uzoyiqala yonke into.
Even in your absence.
Nasele noma ungekho
Because there's
wena.
a covenant.
Ngoba kunesivumelwano.
God has started something. He cannot allow His covenant to fail.
Angeke avumele isivumelwano sakhe
It does not
sihluleke.
depend on anyone.
Akancikanga
It
emntwini.
depends on the covenant
Uncike kwisivumelwano
that He has made with a person.
lesi asenzile nomuntu.
Now, you have to be a Christian
Manje kufanele ube
who
umuntu
knows
owaziyo
how you have covenanted with God
ukuthi uvumelene njani.
in order to know that you will make it.
Ukuthi uzowazi ukuthi
Along the
uzophumelela.
way, it can seem like you are failing.
Phakathi kwendlela kabuka ngathi
But you
uyahluleka.
remember one thing.
Kodwa ukhumbula
My
into
chapter
eyodwa.
one.
Hey,
You
isakhiwo
said you'll make me
sokuqala.
great.
Uthi uzongenza
You
kube
said
mkhulu.
I will preach in nations.
Wathi ngizoshumayela ezizweni.
You said I'll go from one country to
Wathi
another.
ngizohamba isizwe nezifunda.
Mara physical akubonakala. You have spiritually discerned. the
Usule wena
promise.
ngokamoya, isithembiso.
You have captured the promised spiritual.
Ubambe isithembiso.
There's no room for you to sleep.
Alikho igumbi lokuthi wena ulale.
You are awoken.
Uhlezi uvukile.
Spiritually awoken.
Uvukile
You
ngokamoya.
cannot sleep again.
Angeke uphinde ulale.
Ha! spiritual awoken.
vusiwe
You
ngukamoya
are able to see what God has promised.
uyakubona lo
In the midst of trouble,
phakathi kwezinkinga
Uthe inkosi, lokho akungithusi lokho. Lokho akungithusi. Yini lokho? Hayi distraction le man. Ayingithusi. You promised me something.
khona ongithembise kona
And there's a covenant
kunesivumelwano kuloko
between me and you.
phakathi kwami
And you are a author and the finish.
manje ngumqalisi
So
nomsebenzi
angibona uqedile kusashort. You're going to finish it.
uyoqeda
Hey. The problem, you end up moving your eyes from God.
inkinga ukuthi siyawasusa amehlo kuNkulunkulu
And you look at people who did not covenant with God.
bese ubhekana nabantu abangazange babe nesivumelwano noNkulunkulu
Abanasivumelwano labantu labo. Into abayiqalile noNkulunkulu bangayishiya. Because there's no covenant.
ngoba sikho vele
There's no
isivumelwano
covenant.
asikho
You
isivumelwano
can't trust such people.
angeke ubathemba abantu abanjalo
Let's go.
I gave him many descendants through his son Isaac. Verse 4. To Isaac I gave Jacob and Esau. To Esau I gave the mountains of Seir.
Hey.
While Jacob and his children went down into Egypt. Verse 5. Then I sent Moses and Aaron and I brought terrible plagues on Egypt. And afterward, I brought you out as a free people.
As a free people.
abantu
Let's go.
Verse
So why
6.
many doubt? Let's go.
Verse 6. But when your ancestors arrived at the Red Sea, the Egyptians chased after you with chariots and charioteers.
When your ancestors, look at what God is doing. When your ancestors
uma bokhokho benu
reached the Red Sea,
bafinyelela olwandle olubovu
the Egyptians chased you.
amagibhithe wayengijimisa
Mara bekungasiyibo, bekubakhokho babo. If you visualize this,
uma ukubona
uzodwa
ngenyanga
hayi usho aboMoses nabo-Abraham wena thina besingekho. A covenant,
isivumelwano
what God has begun with a man,
lokhu uNkulunkulu aqalile ngomuntu
it does not carry only him.
akuphathe yena yedwa
He carries others.
kuphethe nabanye
That's why don't tamper with the covenant.
yingakho kufanele ungadlali ngesivumelwano
When there's a covenant, there's danger.
kunobungozi
Because uNkulunkulu kunento ayiqalile ngalo muntu. And uyibhekile so, ukuthi kumele ngicede. Now, if you are a visualizing Christian,
uma uwumKristu lobona ngenyama
uzobheka lo muntu, ubona into eziperishayo, ungaboni zakamoya. Because awuboni ukuthi uNkulunkulu uqaleni. Let's go. Let's go.
But when your ancestors arrived at the Red Sea, the Egyptians chased after you.
Phinde.
But when your ancestors
When your ancestors, abokhokho benu nabafika, the Egyptians chased after you.
bewanigijimisa emva kwenu
Meaning the Egyptians
kusho ukuthi
were
amagibhithe
not only after your ancestors,
bewangalandeli okhokho benu
they saw the many descendants.
babona inzalo eningi
They wanted to kill many descendants.
bebafuna ukubulala le nzalo eningi
The target was not only Moses and it was many descendants. What God has promised.
inzalo eningi leyo uNkulunkulu
If the
ayithembisa
covenant comes
uma isivumelwano siza
and you don't mishandle it,
bese ungasiphathi kabi
don't be quick to think you've made it.
ungasheshi ke ukuthi wena
You might not
usuphumelele.
reach many.
ngenzeka
In
ungafinyeleli
you
kokuningi
disobeying God, you might be killing many in you.
ungangalaleli uNkulunkulu ngenzeka ubulala abaningi
You might be killing many.
ngabulala abaningi
You might even kill your own children's destiny.
ngenzeka ubulale nesasa labantwana
Your own
bakho
children's
ngaboni.
destiny might die in you
sasa labantwana bakho life ngawe
because God has covenanted something with you.
ngoba uNkulunkulu ube nesivumelane nawe
So if you disobey,
uma
it's
ungalaleli
not only about you.
akusingawe
It's not
kuphela.
about visualizing.
Akusingo
It's
ukuthi ubone
spirituality.
ngamehlo.
What do you carry in you?
kukumoya
Who
ukuthi
do you
uphethe-
carry in you?
uphetheni kuwe futhi ubani omphethe kuwe
So they wanted to kill the many descendants.
bebafuna ukubulala le nzalo eningi
Sele baphume babaningi, but they were targeting
Kahle kahle
what
bebafuna-
God has promised.
lokhu uNkulunkulu
What cannot be
uyathembisa.
discerned by physical eyes.
lo ngeke kuze kubonwe ngamehlo wenyama
Meaning these people were in the spirit.
ya labantu bebakumoya ngamanye amagama
When uyahamba noNkulunkulu senyameni, awuboni covenant, awuboni ukuthi lokufambula kwakho kukusengondini. Uyahamba nje. Ucamba ukuthi kungawe. It's all about you.
Singawe.
Ungezizukulu nezizukulwane. Now if you are a selfish person
uma umuntu onomhobholo
who's bigger in the center, your story might end unworthy. ngaphela kabuhlungu.
Udaba lakho ngaphela.
Mina uNkulunkulu angavala incwadi kungasesikhathi sokuyivala. Yes. Yes, because he says I will destroy you. It means things that were not supposed to touch you will end up touching you.
Fanele zintinte manje
Problems that were far from you,
inkinga
they will come
zazi
close to you.
zizondisondelela.
What are you doing?
Wenzani?
You are visualizing God.
Ubona uNkulunkulu ngamehlo enyama.
You are no longer in the spirit.
Awusekho kumoya.
You have slept. You are sleeping.
Ulele. Hey uzumekile.
You are sleeping.
Hey ulele.
If you are not in the spirit, you are sleeping.
Ungekho kumoya vele ulele.
Zechariah chapter 4, verse 1. Zechariah says, I was like a man who was sleeping,
Uthi bengifana nendoda
but
ebeyilele.
I was awoken.
Kodwa ngavuswa.
Ephesians 5:14
Efeso 5.
says, awaken, O sleeper.
Uthi vuka
Your
phaphama,
light has come.
Khanya.
What comes there? Light.
Okuzayo ukhanya.
Light.
Ukhanya.
Then what does this light do?
Lenzani ukhanya na?
It enlightens your entire generation or your
Uphaphamisa.
entire journey with God.
Uphaphamisa isizukulwane sakho.
Ukuthi
nohambo
ungahambe
lwakho lonke.
kumnyameni bese uyawa.
Yeah. Sure.
Ungathintwa izinto engamelanga zikuthinte. uNkulunkulu utheni ngikuprotectile. But nase zikuthinta, wake up. The chapter might be closed.
Hey, isahluko ngenzeka sesibhalile.
The chapter it can be closed.
Singavala
When
isahluko.
God chooses a man
uNkulunkulu
and
akhetha umuntu.
baptizes a person with his spirit,
Ambhabhadisa ngomoya wakhe.
it's assured ukuthi akunamuntu ongamelana nawo.
Yeah.
That's one I'm telling you. No one can stand you.
Akekho ngamelana.
Because
nawe.
awukho enyameni, you are in the spirit. You are spiritual. You don't live in the spirit and in the flesh. You are
Awuphile enyameni
spiritual.
ngomoya, ungokamoya.
The amplified version of a believer. Spiritual person.
Umuntu kamoya.
A spiritual person.
Umuntu kamoya.
You ever seen umuntu kamoya? Hayi umuntu osemoyeni. Inkinga wona umuntu osemoyeni bese uyaphuma. Now uzosala no Ishmael. Gozala uJacob. Meaning deceiver.
Ungkhohlisi. Jacobe.